Happy VLOGnukkah number 2. Or is it number 3? You need help? What's wrong? The charger. Zachy is trying to watch. You're supposed to be. There you go. No. All the kids are home right now. They all have half days for Thanksgiving. And they all want to watch something different, so we let them take out their tablets to do that, but nothing is ever simple. Anyways, I brought you in here to show you guys the decorated kitchen. Oh, and I just took out my Hanukkah Cookbook, which I will definitely share with you guys, but let me give you the details of the kitchen. So on the center island, we've got our dreidel holder thing box. Oh, with the kids' gelt bags in it. Sometimes I put gelt in here, sometimes I put dreidels in there. Just depends. This is from Target, but last year. But check, because every year they have new and wonderful things. Speaking of which, this was also Target last year. Isn't this gorgeous? Crate and Barrel also has a really pretty marble one. Then we've got the gingerbread house that I always share with you guys. It lights up. Let me turn it on so you can see. Look how pretty. This is my favorite. That's Amazon. And then the menorah is Target. They have it this year. They've had it a few years. I love it. And this is the Happy Hanukkah sign. I always share this tip, but if you want something like a sign or something personalized and you don't see it, I just go to Etsy and look for any Etsy shop that does personalized like stuff. So this Etsy shop, you could get any banner. So I just had them make Happy Hanukkah. They're the same ones that did my Shana Tova one. And then that, I believe, was Michael's or Target. I'll link as much as I can. We have the Menorah-saurus deflated right there. And in this room, this is just my favorite. Look how pretty. We've got this artwork from Amanda Topper. A little holiday house, Target. Another Target menorah, that's how much I love it. And this is the Target dreidel. They have a new one that's like lucite this year. If you want something more like this, do the Crate and Barrel one. So that is the house decorated. Oh, I have to show you the family room too, but those are the main spaces. I think I achieved my goal of decorating and making things look a little bit festive without going too over the top, so that when we get back from LA for Hanukkah, I'm not like, oh my God, my house is covered in Hanukkah. So I wanted that fine line of feeling festive and nice, but not being so much that I'm gonna be overwhelmed when I get back. Okay, so that's the decorations we have now, and let's talk shopping, because hopefully I'll get this video up, but it's Black Friday week, basically. You know how it is. Cyber Monday, Black Friday never ends. What am I buying? What are you guys getting? I bought myself some UGG slippers on the Nordstrom sale, which might be arriving today. If not, they might have already arrived actually. I swear I saw a truck outside our house a minute ago. I'll show you guys those if they're still up. Oh yeah, we got some packages. Okay, let me bring these all in because some of these are definitely Hanukkah stuff for me to share with you guys, and then I'll share with you what I bought, what's in the sales. Okay, so I just want to give the caveat that some of the stuff I'm going to show you I did not buy. I was gifted it because I'm a Jewish person online, a Jewish social media influencer. But I always joke with my friends, like whenever I get gifted something really nice, they're always like, oh my gosh, that's so nice. I'm like, yeah, but like I get paid in car seats or, whatever. I'm like, it is really nice, but it's not, it's like the job is what I'm saying. But I am so thankful, and it is super nice when it is something I actually really want. And these days I don't really say, where can I pop you? I don't really say yes unless it is something I really want, or if I think it's something you guys would really want to see. Okay, so let's open some packages. Okay, this first one I know is Hanukkah. Whoa, this is so nice. So Julie, the owner of the business, said happy Hanukkah. Hope this gives you some smiles, screen-free play, and peaceful moments. This is so nice. Have you guys seen these Play-Doh kits? So it comes with the Play-Doh. This is definitely like homemade, nice Play-Doh. And then all the little, oh man, I'm actually freaking out because we have a toy set, the like larger version that Craft used to make that they don't make anymore. And it's in these, this is like what it's designed after. That is so niche, but if anyone knows what I'm talking about, it just makes me smile so much because it's like a Hanukkah toy that they don't make anymore that is so special. So she made like a miniature version of that. It has Hanukkah letters. Oh my goodness, stamps. This is so cute. I am not gonna let the kids see this right now because I'm gonna save this for Thanksgiving break in a day or two. Oh my goodness, so much cute stuff. This is a really nice kit. This is a really nice gift. I will link it below. It's Young, Wild, and Friedman Hanukkah kit. Okay, this next one, this is making me laugh because I just did the Scholastic Book Fair at my kids' elementary school. And when I tell you, literally every teacher, we have the teachers make their wish list and they pulled the actual books so you could really see like what's trending in elementary school teachers. They all pulled this book, Hanukkah Pajamakas. And we felt bad because not all the books got bought that every teacher requested. And I asked the librarian if she could use her Scholastic dollars to buy a few extra copies because it was so highly requested. So it's so funny that I got sent this. I might have to donate it to the school because so many teachers wanted it, but I definitely will let my kids read it first. It's such a cute book, just all about Jewish joy in the holiday. It's so sweet. Look how beautiful the pictures are. Look how fun. This is a gorgeous book, Hanukkah Pajamas by Dara Henry, and pictures by Olga and Alexei Ivanov. It also came with these really cute stencils. So thank you to the author and Source Books for sending me those. Okay, the next was a birthday gift to myself from myself. And that is new pants from Jewelry. I'll tag it if I can. I'm sure you guys have heard of this brand. It's so good. When I tell you I wear these sweatpants every day, I'm not joking. I actually checked. I think I bought them 3 years ago. And I just rebought them in the exact same color, but a smaller size. I have lost some weight. But I was so excited to have these again. They are the nicest sweatpants. Not too hot. As you can tell, they're thin, but like a very good quality. Not like thin in a bad way. And I also got myself the matching hoodie, just like a zip-up hoodie. Literally, this is my uniform. My husband calls me a puppeteer because I dress all in black. Every morning, he's like, "Are you going to the puppet show today?" Anyways, but it's so cute. I love the Jewelry fabric. I'll link that if I can. So the slippers did not come today. That was my Black Friday gift to myself. But I'll share in the next video then. Oh, this is Amazon. This is a Hanukkah present for my middle son. He really wanted crayons, not crayons, markers. So I got him this set. Do you guys remember this from when you were little? It like opened and it has all the colors. I actually Googled it. I was like, yellow marker set. He's gonna love this. He is a budding artist. I got myself the silk scrunchies. If you guys haven't seen this, I know we don't do stocking stuffers for Hanukkah, but if you're looking for something small, like a stocking stuffer, these are great. They're silk hair ties, so they don't like hurt your hair at all. I have some for my sister-in-law and mother-in-law that are the real brand. I think it's called Silk. They're really expensive. These are the dupes on Amazon. Okay, and last up, okay, Okay, this is kind of fun because it's a very random haul, as you might expect with an Amazon package. One is the gummies I give for my kids. They're everyday vitamins. These are the immunity ones. The brand is Ollie. I really like them. Ollie, if you ever want to work together, let me know. This is the brand of shampoo and conditioner I use for my kids. It's Ever Eden. Oh, I'm tapping the bottom. I can tap the camera. It's really nice. It was on the Black Friday sale. I justify it because my kids are boys and they have really short hair, so I can buy a little bit of a nicer product because it lasts a really long time in our house, but the Ever Eden brand is really nice for kids. Okay, this was on the Black Friday deal. When I was looking at the Scholastic Book Fair, I noticed how much the kids loved the journals. They went nuts for them, and they were really expensive. Some were up to $20. It was just a journal, but the kids loved them. So I was like, you know, we always have these birthday parties where, like, I don't really know the kids, you know, they're just school friends, and I like to have some birthday party gifts on hand, and I thought the journals would be a good idea, and I looked to see if there was any on Amazon, because this was after the fair had ended, and this one was on the Black Friday deal. It's so cute. It even comes with a pen. Especially for me as a boy mom, I have no idea what the girls are into, so when I saw that all the girls were into the journals, I was like, okay, done. I'm just gonna buy some of those. So this was, I don't remember, but around $10 or less. And I think that's a cute little birthday gift. Wrap it nicely, maybe put something with it. And the last thing is, I really don't know what this is. Let's see. Oh, this is very boring. Hand soap. The Method one. These are like $3 each. They come in a set of 3. This one might be broken. It's the grapefruit flavor, I think. Yeah, pink grapefruit. That's it. Okay, then before I say goodbye for this video, there is one more product that came last week, but while I'm opening things that brand sent me, I would like to show you guys this one. Half of it is downstairs. No, I brought it up. Half of it I'm giving to my nieces because they're kid-sized. Jewelry, Hanukkah jewelry. Guys, did I show this in the last video? Now I'm wondering if I did. Bobble bar. How cute are those Hanukkah bracelets? I hope my nieces love them. This is the necklace. And then I kept the adult size ones. They're so cute. By the way, my friend bought me this jewelry box after I almost accidentally threw my jewelry away. So thanks, girl. Where is it? Oh yeah. These dreidel earrings. They're so cute. Menorah earrings. And my favorite, this Hanukkah necklace. I don't know if you can see the charms on it, but they're like dreidels, menorahs, and then one of them, where is it? Oh yeah, it says, get lit. So dreidels, menorahs. So I will definitely be wearing that to our Hanukkah party. And that's it. VLOGnukkah, number 2. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you did, if you like this pre-Hanukkah get ready content. I got the nicest comments from you guys in the last video telling me how much you loved it and were so excited that VLOGnukkah was back and how there's so little Hanukkah content and so much Christmas content. So I was like, well, let me make more. All right, love you guys. Bye.